Vinaka, and a very good morning to you all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be present here today for this groundbreaking ceremony of the Tikaram Park and witness again another milestone on the development at Municipal Council. Ladies and gentlemen, the Council for many years has been proposing to improve and expand the park facilities. However, due to the lack of finance and resources, and of course ignored by the previous governments, this could not be carried out. I note that numerous requests have been received from residents of Lami for council to provide such facilities. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to announce this morning that this will now finally be realized through funding by the government under my Ministry of Local Government, Housing and Environment. It is vital for Lami residents to have such facilities, as this is a means of acknowledging our citizens for their contribution in the development of our town and the country as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, Tikaram Park was donated to the council by the Tikaram family, and it has been enjoyed by everyone who resides in Lami. However, the groundbreaking ceremony today will allow for a new facelift, and I am happy to announce that my ministry has given a total contribution of $590,000 to the council. The occasion today marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of new one. Let me say this, I've been also involved with municipal councils. And in previous years we have been banging and knocking the doors of governments to improve our facilities. My good friend sitting there, former mayor, he knows very well. But nothing was coming forward. And in recent days you people must have read and heard that throughout the country there is a lot of capital projects going on in all the municipalities, and in particular the sporting facilities. Who are giving these funds? You people must remember this. While we are going forward, taking country ahead, we have some elements within our community who wants to derail the system. But we will continue with the good work. And as mentioned by the special administrator, this is not the only project for Lami. This is just the beginning of the projects that Lami residents will witness. The new upgrading, ladies and gentlemen, will allow the construction of a podium, a senior citizen park, and a recreation area. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to note that the theme behind the whole development is work, fun, and play. The Tikaram Park Development Project for the Lami Town Council has its fundamental aim to give back to the people of Lami something which you can claim as your own and have pride over. The use of the materials like rocks on the side of the podium and the other structures bring out the appreciation of the nature and its surroundings. Ladies and gentlemen, there will also be access for disabled people by ramps onto the podium. The podium would enable the members of the community and formal gatherings and the other leisure activities spent with the families. And as your special administrator has mentioned, that his aim is to see that this project is completed before Christmas so the people of Lami can celebrate the 2015 Christmas year. The government recognizes our senior citizens, and certainly we should all appreciate and value them personally and also for their contribution that they have made in making Fiji a better place to live. That's also where our whole responsibility part of this park comes into play. We want to give the seniors of Lami a place of fun, an area safe enough to mingle, and something that they can all own. The world is all about well-being, and the introduction of the man-made or tide pool for the senior citizen is an act of promoting wellness within the park. Ladies and gentlemen, the fun and play component of the design theme are the introduction of the volleyball court, children's play area, outdoor LED screen, and the lookout bay. All in all, it is a people's park for the people of Lami, the town that we all hold dear to our heart. Ladies and gentlemen, the time duration of making this dream into reality will be about 5 to 6 months. The total cost of the Tikaram Park project totals around $674,000, and through partnership with government, council will contribute around $84,000 towards this project. On this note, ladies and gentlemen, I remind our ratepayers that we will continue to see similar facilities upgrading with Lami Town if your council is financially healthy. And here I would like to request all of you, those who are paying, thank you so much, and those who are sitting with your rates, please come up and pay up your rates. Ladies and gentlemen, the council looks forward to the support of the business houses and residents of Lami for the upkeep of this new developed park. It is my plea again this morning to all. Let us join our hands as we strive to make a new change for the people of Lami. Invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you again for your presence this morning to witness this great and the joyous occasion for this groundbreaking ceremony. Thank you and Vinaka.
All right. As you can see, this is the podium proper. That will be different to other podiums that you've seen. Over here will be the senior business park that I told you about. There will be a barbecue area and toilet facilities for both male, female, changing rooms, etc.